Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to change your name in the Zelle app. Well, it's actually very easy for us to completely change the name. What we specifically have to do is simply log into our personal bank account. Here, for this particular demonstration, we are going to log in to Bank of America, and then right here, we will carefully enter our unique username and our secure password. Once we are successfully logged in, what we then have to do is proceed directly here to the specific area where it clearly says this prominent button that is distinctly labeled Zelle. We're going to click there. And well, here what we are going to do is carefully look for the settings option, which is clearly visible here, this particular button. We will click there, and once we have successfully navigated there, we are then going to proceed to click here, where it specifically says manage our payment profiles, okay? We're going to click there, and here we will clearly see that we can effectively change or comprehensively update the crucial contact information, okay? This process ensures all details are current and accurate for our records. And well, that's it. It's something pretty simple, okay? And well, if this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.